Ka Menteri Ketenat Kekuat Kekia ikong Amprin Lingdo ilapan penaba ke sorkar kalaterai shitom bansengnya ke Shillong Medical College balapan ya ke sorkar ke Thmu ban penklannya ketenat pulih juga Kekuat Kekia. Lakmi lenti baka batch beningkong on Plie mentausnem warhadien bakaladon ke jing saateng benyo ke jing bit na National Medical Commission. Haba jubah pekejeng keli jong nongelam kali yang persya umukul sang mahalor kini ke projek. Ikong Ambrin ila pentikna bekejeng pen kreak kidang ya cakamat baladap pen penyesno baka North Eastern Hill University balapen kelai ke Pasture Hills syak academic block.
The Pasture Institute is being converted into an academic block. It is a brownfield project. We did not require to institute a new hospital. We needed to look at the infrastructure that is already available. The manpower is already available. We've designated the research department to also be the academic department. So these are the major administrative decisions that had to be taken. But the department is on the job. We've done the affiliations with Thmu. That was also required.
Menteri Ketenat Boarding itu Mondal la pentip